my name is Syifana Qolbia from class Social Sciences 2. Today I'm going to review some product. Check it out! Ta-da! This is a product that I will review today. This is a Xiaomi compact hair dryer H101. Before we start with, let's take a look what inside this box. Okay, first we have this. This is a user manual and veterinary notice. The second one we have this. This is the air nozzle. This looks like this. And the last we have, of course, the hair dryer. Look at that. Oh my god. Doesn't it look grateful, guys? This is so simple but so gorgeous. It's lightweight enough. Look. Oh my god. The plug cable, it's long enough. We have the power button. The power button have two modes, like the low speed and the high speed. And then this is the temperature mode. It's to have it to temperature. You can use the cold one or the hot one. Let's use it. Okay, if you guys have a dull, coarse, and unruly hair, this hair dryer is quite helpful for you. Let me give you an example. I have a model in here. This is my mom. Mom, say hi, mom. Hello. Okay, sit. Okay, first we have a power button. This is lower high and this is the high. This is says use. Okay, and this is the temperature mode. You can use the cold one or the hot one. We use the cold one. Okay, ta-da! And this is the final look. So hiker recommendation. Okay, one more thing. With that speed, you can dry your hair very quickly without damaging your hair, and you can dry and style your hair easily. Okay guys, that's my review of the Xiaomi compact hair dryer H101 product. I highly recommended this product to you guys, and thanks for watching me. Sorry for the mistake, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.